in Northeast. Northeast has been isolated by Britishers, and our previous governments continued doing so. With the result, Northeast has been a separate kettle of fish. I was Director General Assam Rifles while interacting with some of the boys and girls in the interior land, hinterland. I happened to ask one of the boy who was coming down. He said, "हम mainland में जा रहे हैं." In their perception, any area beyond Guwahati is a mainland, it's a different country. Not only that, here in India, the youth from Northeast, they call all the other people of North, Central, or South India as Indians, as if they are from a different area and they're a different kettle of fish. So we have to address this as to how this is the longest outstanding UN issue in the global world today which has been unresolved. I will not go to the current situation. I have already got indication we have short of time, and in the short time we have to cover vast area. But you know the icons in Valley, the poster boys, Afzal Guru, Baram Wani, and Zakir Musa, who were quite popular. And yesteryear, like Maqbool Bhatt, their celebration, they arouse people and try and unite the population. Stone pelting is rampant, and you know who all are supporting these people: Pakistan, Hurriyat, and the extremist elements. I will straightway come on to the strategy of our government. What should be our strategy? What should be the way forward? I'll briefly cover without expanding because of short of time. We need to voice claim in the World Forum for Gilgit and Baltistan to be part of JNK. Secondly, we must continue to exert diplomatic pressure to isolate Pakistan. And I dare say the present government has succeeded to an extent in this regard to isolate Pakistan in the World Forum. Article 370 needs to be abolished in a phased manner. Imagine two constitutions in one country, two flags in one country, and a host of other things which you all understand what Article 370 means. There will be ripples, there will be bunds, protests for a couple of days, but we can't afford to have another nation within a nation. And we need to make the people understand that you are part of India and you have to continue to live and be as part of the Constitution of India. Economic development at the lower level, giving more powers to the DMs and panchayats should be enforced. And beyond Banihal, they consider as a different country. I think we need to remove this myth. Like I mentioned in case of Northeast, similarly in case of Kashmir, we need to integrate these people with the rest of the country. And rest of the country also needs to understand these people. That can be best achieved by youth exchange programs, which of course are being carried out, but we need to enforce it forward. We need to isolate Hurriyat separatists. Though they are persona non grata, but they are of tremendous nuisance value. वो एक मुर्गी की तरह हैं. जैसे मुर्गी कुड़कुड़ किथे और अंडे किथे. कुड़कुड़ तो यहाँ करते हैं, अंडे कहाँ देते हैं? पड़ोसी के. I think we need to take care of these elements. You can't imagine, ladies and gentlemen, I've seen these people, when they come here to Delhi, they stay in 5-star hotels. Look at the children, they're studying in premier universities, best of education, but they're fooling the population, which we need to expose them and for which the media has a great role to play. Military operations, the eventual answer has to be the border. So what is the answer? In my perception, the answer is to convert the present LOC into international border and find ways and means for the population to move across from that side to this side and vice versa, which is happening in other countries and can be done here also. And finally, I'll give one sentence answer. I'll try to find to resolve the problem of insurgency and terrorism in Northeast as well as Kashmir. That is, we as a country have to integrate these people politically, economically, and socially. Thank you.